Whenever a new Z Fold comes out, there's always someone out there who does a video like this. So this is a 10-hour live stream of someone going ahead and folding the Z Fold open, close, 200,000 times. So this is a 10-hour live stream of them just opening and folding the phone 200,000 times to see, is Samsung telling the truth? Is the Z Fold series able to fold as many times as they say that they can? Now, I believe the claim right now for the Z Fold 7, is it 400,000, I believe? Something close to 400,000, I believe. So, still though, absolutely insane. For 10 hours straight, man, he is just opening and closing this phone. And he has a little thing on the screen here that actually calculates every single time it opens and closes. And in the right-hand corner, you can see he actually has the counter. So this is at 140,691. So wait, okay, hold up. So it says day 4. So this is day 4. Is there another? How many days did he do this for? He is still live. Okay. So, I don't know why I thought he did this all in one day. But, wow. So you got day 1, day 2. So these are all of the live streams. This is actually his whole entire live streams of his channel that he's doing. So he's still live right now. 154,641 currently is where he's at. That is insanity. And hold on, I do want to see this real fast. Okay, so honestly, I know we don't have the best angle here. That crease doesn't look like it's like breaking or having any issues. And he's 154,000 in, which is insanely crazy. Wow. And yeah, he's been doing this now for 4 straight days. It's shout out to him, man. Wait, hold up. Okay, so these titles are in English, right? And then these last 2 are in Chinese. So, is this the same live stream? No, I don't think so. I think he might just put these in English. Or he might just be putting them in English, like, after, like, a couple hours after he goes back, and maybe he has someone who puts them in English. I don't know. But, shout out to him. Durability test, to say the least, man. Durability test, to say the least. This is, him and Jerry rig everything. Figuring out how much Z Fold 7 can actually take before it breaks. Peace out, guys.